It's 4:30 in the morning and currently we are about to say goodbye to sunny Shenzhen. And we're going up to Urumqi, Xinjiang. You know, I'm just gonna roll with it. I'm really not sure what to expect, what's gonna happen. Just gonna roll with it. Shenzhen Airport. They make you go through security before you even walk into the airport. Yes.
这个是多久没有重逢的那个？一大早吃这么荤呢？
So Maggie's a friend of ours, and we're also meeting with some other friends, which is Jane and Mocha, Camel. We'll be meeting them in Urumqi in Xinjiang. It's going to be a real estrogen fest. Like one guy with a whole bunch of hot Asian girls. From here in Shenzhen International Airport, prohibit leaning. Just a little side note, it's not common in China for people to like hug each other. It's Chinese people are kind of touchy-feely, like they don't do the hugging thing. And so for me to get a hug out of Maggie, you know, you only get that if you've known them a while. To Urumqi Airport. Wow, what a horrible flight. Packed out, hot.
贴纸到行李的旅客，请您仔细核对您的行李牌号码以及行李外包装，尤其是机场统一打包的纸箱、水果纸箱。
Somebody broke down. And there's a smash. Taxi driver's boot doesn't work. So that's a police station, and apparently these are everywhere in Xinjiang. It's so that there can be a rapid response to anything that needs police intervention. Alright, time for some brand new food, Xinjiang food. Here's Xinjiang yogurt. Oh, now that looks pretty spicy.
等一下，你不能吃，这香菜。
That is going to burn. I can see the chilies. That is going to burn. I wasn't wrong. It burns. Okay, so what's this one called?
So it's a part of the cow.
Part of the cow.
Yes. Give a try. Not organ. It's it's a kind of tendon.
Yeah.
幸亏你叫了那
Tendon
个。
of a cow.
要不要啊？吞。
Oh wow. That's like rubber. That's like eating rubber. It is a tendon, I suppose.
Yeah.
And that's what I've been waiting for. It's not pizza, that's Uyghur bread. It's a naan bread. Got spices on it. It's tasty. So you can see over there, people still are able to smoke in the restaurants in Xinjiang. So this little trip we're going to be on, we're going to have 2 cars, 2 drivers through rural Xinjiang, and just our unfortunate luck for today, it is raining. On the first day, raining.
Singing in the rain, Just singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's
That lady is walking through the traffic, begging for money, going from car to car.
Let the stormy clouds chase
Another police
everyone
station.
from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face.
我最喜欢新疆的美食、美酒、美景、美人儿。最不喜欢新疆的管理、检查，好吓人呐、没了。
Welcome to downtown Urumqi.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty.
That looks like a mosque here in Urumqi.
The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Oh, okay, so we're doing a little bit of city sightseeing here after our little visit to the restaurant. Underground car park, complete parking chaos, people boxing each other in, and I have to refrain myself from talking about what I do for a job, you know, towing cars and. Okay, so I've only been here in Urumqi for a couple of hours. We've already gone through 4 security checkpoints. Now these are not security checkpoints at the airport. The first one was a metal detector and a guard to get into the hotel. The next one was a metal detector and an armed guard to get into a restaurant. The next one was a metal detector and an armed guard and a search of the back of the car to get into the underground car park. And the fourth one was a metal detector and an armed guard to get into the shopping mall, which is just behind us here. I've heard that Xinjiang province is just nuts with security. I didn't think it was quite like this. It is crazy. I haven't actually had my camera turned on any of the times that we've gone through these security checkpoints, because it's like I don't want to actually upset any of these people by videoing them. I'm sure I'll be able to video some of them from a distance. See if we can do that.
I walk down the lane with a hand.
And it's at this point that you know you're in a Muslim area. Wow, look at this.
Singing in the rain.
Xinjiang International Grand Bazaar. What else is there to say? They seem to like the horn here quite a lot. There's a lot of the old beep 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 on the car horn. There's a few homeless people and poor people asking you for money. He just did the spit, just did the That was caught on video, dude. I was recording that. It was caught on video.
Dancing in the rain. I'm happy again.
Let's check out the supermarket. Camel oil.
Yeah, camel oil.
What's camel oil used for?
It's just moisturizer.
It's a moisturizer.
Yes.
Lovely. Well, you know, my beard can use a little bit of a moisturizer.
Yeah. I believe so.
That is the walnut's great-grandfather, apparently. The great-grandfather of walnuts. It tastes like every other walnut I've ever had.
非常好吃，这 dried grapefruit，
Pretty good.
香妃房。
Why is there a stuffed dog here? I don't know. Okay, so some facts about Xinjiang province. As a province, this area is basically famous for its produce, i.e. fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, things that you grow. It's you know, a mild climate. They get not that much rainfall, but they've got a lot of land for farming. So, you know, whilst it doesn't seem all that interesting, you know, just come to the supermarket. You know, this is actually pretty high quality, good stuff. It's what Xinjiang is famous for.
2根咸的，要吗？要不会弹。看起来挺好玩的。它跟机场海不一样。
So you're playing music, that's how you attract somebody into your store. Wow. Cool. So all the knives, they're called Uyghur knives. So these knives, I believe these are not like authentic ones, but they're kind of like mass-produced ones that are designed to look authentic. Probably they're not the highest quality, they're probably more like a wall hanger. But you know, they look nice. They look very nice. Okay, so what is this thing?
That is the foot of camel.
The what?
Yeah, the foot of camel.
Oh, it's a camel foot.
Yes.
Oh. I won't lie, it's actually a little bit intimidating. Hello. Walk into their shop and check it out. Here's another YouTuber. It's a fellow YouTuber. A decorative ring. Wouldn't mind a new one of those. Yeah, 多少钱这个？这个便宜。A lot of these types of trinkets you get in these flea market places are pretty low value and they're nothing special. But you know, this is like buying a bar of soap. You always need this kind of thing. And it's a nice looking one. Comes in a nice little case. Sometimes people ask me, why do I wear a sun hat when it's not sunny? Well, it's raining right now. This will help protect your head from the rain. You just saw me randomly.
Oh.
Hey.
We're putting the band back together.
Hey. Mocha?
Yeah.
We got everybody except Matt, Guitar Murphy, and Blue Lou, and we're getting them next.
This a camel, is it?
Yeah.
Camel. What's your Jamie?
Putting the band back together. We're on a mission from God.
The rest of them are around here somewhere. I've just lost them. We've gotten the band back together. We're on a mission from God. Guards at a petrol station. Barbed wire fence around a petrol station. Let's break out the Urumqi.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool.